guys, welcome to Myscrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. Guess what? Look what I have here. I have here a full bag of padded envelope, flat rate envelope here of goodies. So let me show you what I have in here. Let's start with this Tim Holtz fragments. So these are the Tim Holtz fragments. There's 45 pieces in here. Let's see what else we have here. We have here another Tim Holtz. This time it's a philosophy tags. And then another thing we have here is a Spellbinders Impressibilities. Look at how cute this is, guys. So cute. These are all new, never been used. And then we have another Tim Holtz item here. This one, I bought this from Tuesday morning. I opened the box, but the items inside were not opened. So the box is opened, but the items inside are still intact. So there you guys go. Putting it back. Then what else do we have in here? We have another Tuesday morning item here. This is the cameras. These are the two sizes of the cameras in here. Another Tuesday morning item. And then we have peel-off stickers. This is Elizabeth Crafts. They're owls, 3 different owls. And then we have here another peel-off sticker by Starfoam. I think this is a cardinal. I'm not sure. Let me know what it is, guys, if you know what it is. And then we have here a Hampton Art coloring clear stamps. And then what else do we have in here? We have quite a bit of goodies in here. Then I have this cosmetic bag. Isn't that cute? This bag contains my face. Then what else do we have here? We have another Tim Holtz item here. This is an ideology. It's expedition. It's a travel item. It's an ephemera pack. And if you watched my warehouse or Webster's Pages warehouse haul, I am giving you some of the items from the haul. So you will get this designer paper clips. It's family traditions. It's arrows and it looks like it's apples over here. Then we have the Allison Craft. These are the bows. These are the white bows. They're the designer charms. Then I also added here the mini craft bags. And then we have here the designer charms. These are the pink butterflies. And then let's look at the ones from. Then we have the Hello World. This is paper clips. These are the onesies and the elephants. And then we have here the journaling notebook by Webster's Pages. And we have the designer cameos from Allison Craft recorded. Then we also have here the perfect accents from Webster's Pages. These are the cameos too. So cute, guys. Then I'm also giving away this purple container, if you will. It could fit your embellishments here. So I'm gonna put this in here so it won't break. And then we have here ephemera from Cartabella. This is Deck the Halls. And again, this is by Queen & Company, the Rocks self-adhesive stones in gold, glitter gold. Then you can share this with your friends. I think there's about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are by My Mind's Eye, in the Penny Lane collection. Guys, how are you going to be able to get your hands on this goodies? So I'm going to draw one lucky winner to receive this package. To win this package, you need to do 3 things. So first thing you need to do is you either have to be a subscriber, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And then share this video so other folks can see it too. And the third thing that you need to do is to share with me what you're doing to keep everyone around you safe, whether you wear a mask, whether you're staying home. What is it that you're doing to keep everyone around you in your neck of the woods? What are you doing to keep everyone safe around you? So place those in the comments section below. First thing is if you subscribed. Second is if you had shared this video in Facebook or through Messenger. I'm not gonna check on you guys because you know we are honest people here. We're scrapbookers. So normally scrapbookers, card makers, paper crafters, we're all honest people. All you have to say is that you have subscribed, you shared, and what are you doing to keep everyone safe around you? So just those 3 things in the comments section. And then on April 30th, we will draw the lucky person and I will send all this to you. So again, 3 things. Subscribe, share this video in whatever platform you can share it with your friends so that they can come back here and also see us. And then third is what are you doing to keep everyone safe? That's it, guys. I hope you are all staying healthy, being safe, and keeping everyone safe around you too. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.